And the race is on. Manila Smile moving up by the rail. Angel Sky. Fearless on the outside. Guided Missile sneaking in. Getting personal. Dagger Look. Moving up. Hakuna Matata. Moving up by the rail. Princess Erica running alongside Hakuna Matata is entry number 13. Apple Splash by the rail. Lovable Tricia Rivaldo running second last. Modern Classic and Blitzkrieg is running at the tail of the field. Heading towards the back, we have Getting Personal with a Lady Rider in command by a barrel length. Angel Sky is in second, moving up to take third. Dagger Look together with Guided Missile, running by the rail. Princess Erica, Fearless. Then comes entry number 4. And that's Manila Smile sneaking in down on the inside. The Red Belts, Hakuna Matata closing in. Then on the outside, Apple Splash running third last is Rivaldo. Then comes Lovable Tricia as they turn to the last 600. Now we have Manila Smile takes command. Angel Sky, watch out. Moving up on the outside is Hakuna Matata, the top favorite now, almost catching the lead as they turn for home. The top favorite, Hakuna Matata, takes the lead over Manila Smile in second. Moving up by the release, Red Bells with the last 200 meters more to run. Hakuna Matata, Red Bells moving up by the rail and Dory outside. Guided Missile, Apple Splash with the last 75 meters more to run. Hakuna Matata. And finally, Hakuna Matata. Apple Splash, then comes Red Bells, Guided Missile, and Angel Sky for your Pentapecta.